We're talking about the summer holidays when we were little.
Richard, your family are from the Isle of Man, which is an island, a holiday island. So does that mean you spent all your holidays at the seaside there?
No. We used to go on holiday, we say across the water in England. We used to get a ferry and then we used to drive to various places. But I must say my memories of the summer are, yes, on the Isle of Man.
And at the beach?
Definitely. I used to love going down to the beach. I used to love making sandcastles.
You had a little bucket and spade?
Definitely. That is what I really enjoyed.
Did you have flags that you put on the castle? Can you remember?
I can't remember that, but love the sandcastles and paddling in the water, of course.
Now, paddling, Richard, because it's too cold to swim in the water.
I did swim when I was a small boy, but I have to say, it's a bit too cold for me now, that's for sure.
Yeah. What about having picnics on the beach? Anything like that?
I don't really remember having too many picnics on the beach. I used to go to the beach on my own or with my friends.
Right.
We used to go cycling. I used to go cycling to the beach. Yes. Great days.
Yeah.
But what about you, Jackie? What about your holidays? What can you remember?
Well, we had lots of different kinds of holidays when I was little, but we had a caravan, and so it was very common to go travelling with the caravan in the UK and across to Europe as well.
Wow, so some long journeys then.
Yeah, a bit of a road trip, I suppose, and yeah, different places, but I do have fond memories of a campsite that we stayed in for a couple of weeks in northern Italy, which was by the sea. It was very nice.
And did you do the same things? Make sandcastles, go swimming?
Yeah, I mean, just the same as you, Richard, I suppose, most of the time on the beach and swimming in the sea. But the main difference, it was a bit warmer.
Yes, the Mediterranean is a little bit warmer than the Irish Sea, that's for sure.
Yeah.
And did you have picnics or anything on the beach as well?
No, but actually, Richard, you know what I do remember? One thing that we never did, and that was to go to restaurants. My mother always prepared the food at the campsite.
That's a big difference with nowadays, isn't it?
Well, for us, part of our summer holiday is to go to a foreign restaurant and sit outside.
I love going to, a new restaurant, new tastes. That's a real highlight of our holidays now.